iOS.
That changes everything.
Actually,
All right, so I think the most important feature of this phone that needs to be addressed, it has
is
5G.
What about it's powered by McAfee?
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
It has the virus.
Malware prevention powered by McAfee. McAfee destroyed my computer.
McAfee destroys everything. It
didn't
literally
even-
is a virus.
I got a virus on my computer. McAfee didn't see any of it. Okay, so back to 5G. We touched on that in the last episode. Best feature on any smartphone. Don't you just love it when you're just walking down the street and you have like a 4G connection that's constantly connected?
I hate that. I hate it when I'm constantly connected.
I know.
I'd rather it just constantly come in and out.
You're just like searching something, instantly cuts. Now, will it cut over to 4? Yeah, it cuts over to 4G, right? When will it cut over to 3G?
It should cut to 4G. Well, if
If there's no 4G,
3G.
if there's no 4G available, it'll go to 3G.
Does it still have 3G antennas?
I don't even know.
Antennae? I got an opportunity to
That's
use the word.
antennae.
No, it's like no, because it's not Greek, it's Latin.
Oh.
Yeah, like minimum and maximum are maxima and minima, but octopus is Greek, so it's octopi.
Okay. Tim, why are you so smart? It's not fair.
I don't know.
Try
Too much late night YouTube. I don't think octopus was a good example. I
think
don't think
I've-
that's actually a Greek one.
I think
But
I've learned-
cacti.
Yeah, cacti.
Cactus, that's
I
good.
think I've learned more on YouTube than I have in school.
For sure, 100%.
Just watching MKBHD videos in 4K every single day.
It's at 4K. I wouldn't learn if it was in 1080.
This is scary.